Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Amazon phone number. And if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. And then what you want to do is come to your name up here in the top right hand corner. And when you get this drop down box, you want to click on the top option, which should say your account. And then from here, what you're going to do, you'll get some options come up like this. And you just want to click on this one, which says login and security. And then from here, it's going to bring up your basic information. So things like your name, email address, mobile phone number. Also things like two-step verification, which you can turn on and off. And what you want to do is next to where it says mobile phone number, there's actually a edit box. So you just want to give that a click. And then what you would do is just put your new number into here. Once that's done, all you want to do is come down and click onto continue down at the bottom. I mean, obviously I'm not going to do that today because this is my phone number, but obviously if you've updated your number or you've got a different mobile number or anything along those lines, you would just put it in here and click continue. And then what's going to happen, that's going to go through and update. Also, you've got a text preferences down here, which you can click on, manage SMS notifications. And this is all to do with like if you want to receive text when you've made an order and you want text about like tracking, payment notifications, shipments, things like that really. So you can go through and choose this in here. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.